Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do a series on all of my MU models that I already had completed before I started filming any of them. So I'm going to go through each one. I'm going to give you a 360 view, just talk about each one, how the build was, and just show you what each of the models look like completed, just so you can see how great they look with all the colors and the size and everything, just so you can see if it's something that, maybe something you want to get into or anything. So the videos aren't too long. I just wanted to do this because, the majority that I already have, I never filmed or anything, but I still wanted to just get this out to you just so you can see the final product of all these awesome Transformer MU metal models. And as always, if you enjoy the videos, please like and subscribe, and I'll get more content out to you. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Continuing our series, or episodes of our completed Transformer metal models. And today we have Jazz. And this one I really like just because of the detail to the back of the model and just the car he was. And you can kind of see in a couple spots, it's got the racing letters there, and there's some other stuff on the back, and those are not stickers. Those were actually part of the metal that you put on and everything, so they wanted to make sure that that was not coming off whatsoever. But I definitely like putting this together, and with the hand, there was a couple options of doing it like this with like a rope that you can like throw and grapple onto things, or it was just like another hand that you had there. So I went with that just because it looked a little bit cooler. But as we keep turning around, you'll see kind of more of the details I was talking about, especially with the wheels down here. I mean, you got the spokes, everything, and just the curvature of the frame and everything. And then you got the top of the car right there. And then just continuing on, I mean, you got the spoiler back here that's split in two, and then there's the back, the window and everything going up, and just continuing on, with the colors, and everything. It just matches, really well. I mean, they definitely weren't too easy to put together, but I just think that almost the back of the model actually looks better than the front, just because of what they did and how they put it together and everything. So it definitely makes it stand out with all the colors and detail and everything. But I like this one just because of all the colors that are on it and just who the character was and everything. But now I'll try to get in a little closer here so you can see. But you just got the authentic colors for the Generation 1 model, from the cartoon, everything. See all the detail on the inside of the leg. And then just the like I said before, the tires, and where you actually see the spokes, the rims or whatever, it just makes it stand out so much. Then you can see the side of the spoiler right there. It's actually got like a name on it, like a sponsor, everything. And then you just got the the spoiler split and got the logo on that too, but like I said, it's not a decal. You don't put it on, they actually etched it into the metal. So then you got the back of the window, and then you got the top of the car, which has got a logo on it as well on the window. And that reflective metal, that was definitely hard to work with. Try to get it in there without any fingerprints and stuff. So, but I definitely, like I said, I just like the back of the model. It just makes it stand out a lot better than the front. and then there's the little winch that he's got that he can, use to throw the weapon or climb on something. So, and then just the iconic, front of the hood, and everything. It also makes it stand out as well. There you go, though. I mean, there he is, Jazz. I think people also remember him from the voice as well. It's just different than some of the other voice actors that played him and everything, and from the other characters and stuff. So, but definitely a nice model to put together. And like I said, the details they put into some of these are just, amazing, just to make it look as authentic as possible. So, but with that, so that's it for Jazz. So we'll continue on in our series, and I hope you're enjoying it. And we'll see you next episode.